Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by PropertyCozy.com. Nestled in the hills of Mandeville, in the quiet and salubrious community of Ingleside, this 6-bedroom, 6-bathroom duplex is a dream for large or small families. It comes with spacious dining and kitchen, nice bedrooms, stairway, garage, and water tanks. It is minutes away from major primary and high schools, major hospitals, shopping centers, and restaurants, less than half an hour from Northern Caribbean University. This property is ideal for any age. Exquisite comfort for a family home, while at the same time perfect for two families. The land area of this house is approximately 4,400 square feet. Guys, let's take a look at this house, and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 35 million or US $227.4 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.